Today in the European session, traders have been assessing the news on the US-China trade relations. As expected, the euro-dollar pair was weighed down by the October FOMC meeting minutes. However, it managed to recover afterwards. Now the markets are focusing on the data from the ECB, but the monetary policy meeting accounts will hardly give investors any clues. Most likely, tomorrow's data on manufacturing activity in the euro area and Germany will clarify the situation. Moreover, Christine Lagarde is set to express her monetary policy stance. If it differs from that of Mario Draghi, the pair is likely to continue its rally towards 1.12 at least. Today, the pound-dollar pair is trading at the level of 1.2930, is gradually recovering from its previous decline caused by TV debates between the UK's major political parties. We continue keeping close tabs on market developments. Stay tuned.